Rands and Cents on the Midday Connection.
Yes, happy Monday la ukhona. If you've just joined us, it's time for Rands and Cents, and ilast khuluma khona izinto ehlangana neimali, and of course guess sidodisane, sikhulisane, and make sure we encourage each other to be responsible financially and make savvy decisions in 2026. Joining us with this conversation namhlanje samsana ke no Thandazani Ozo okamsomi kahle kahle. No, my brother, we want to have a conversation. Both me and Sonic have got young boys.
Sure.
They're the same age, kahle, similar age, and of course we're in that period where we have to start thinking about the future, start thinking about ukuthi ke imali so ibeka kanjani, especially for education, for the future, and maybe we can just start talking about the importance of starting early in saving up financially for one's education for ingane yakhe.
Mfowethu iphuzu lelibaleka kakhulu leli khaya mthethwa enelikhulumayo, but ke kumbuzo wakho mfowethu lasithinda khona indaba zokusave for ingane ezinisho nje ukuthi ingane zenu cha seyiqala ukukhula. So ke ngingasho kumlaleli lapha ekhaya ukuthi ke uqala ucabange ngengane yakho, more especially even before izifike nasemhlabeni, kumele kube into oqala uyicabanga la ekutheni ke kumele usavele yona ingane yakho. But ke meka bisifikile ideally parents should start as early as possible ukuthi ke beyicabange le ndaba yokuthi besavele ingane yakho umuntu. And ke the most mistake abanye abantu abayenza abazali belapha emakhaya ukuextenda le ndaba yokuthi ikhaya ngizosave egcine kumuntu mhlambe ebelate kakhulu ekuthena savele umngane wakhe ingane yakhe. So as early as possible ngisho ukuthi ke kubalekile ukuthi kumuntu aqala ukusave for umntwana wakhe.
And when it comes to education, what are the best savings? Siyazi kunama educational plan, kunama investment. What would your advice be? For instance, nje yabona advise umuntu uthi ngoba into my educational plan abanye abantu bathi into endala sekuyisidala leso. What would your advice be for someone who maybe is still on a budget, doesn't have all the money but wants to put money away for a future education ingane yakhe?
My brother, ngingamtshela umuntu lapha ekhaya ukuthi ke cha kubalekile ukuthi ayicabange lento le, and ke maningi kakhulu ama plan angaba khona as much as singeke kube khona ama specific companies esiwamenshina okanye siwabala ukuthi ke akashone kule company, but ukucabanga ngama company noma ke izinto indlela zokusave efana nama unit trust, ama long term growth, umuntu engaqala ecabange kube khona ibizwa nga education policies, umuntu engaqala ecabange yasiza kakhulu. Kube khona ngeibizwa nge tax free savings account ETFSA, engayicabanga umuntu ingakwazi ukuthi ke imsize kakhulu. Bese kube khona even endowment policies for disciplines savers mfowethu, they can look at it ngoba kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi ke mengabe ukhethe option ukhethe option ezohambisana nawe iphindeke i-risk i-appetite yakho. So ke ngingathi mhlawumbe lawo ekhaya mthethwa nani Sonic abantu abangathi look at them.
Ngiyakuzwa nomdayo yabalabala okuhlukahlukene mfethu, like your education policy, unit trust, savings account, ngiyaqana ukuzizwa kunye kwazo.
Yeah.
Mhlawumbe what's the difference between all these things you mentioning?
Mfowethu njengoba ngishilo ukuthi amanye awo ayethanda ukuthi kuhambe ngerisk ukuthi ke mengabe ngingena kule mhlawumbe risk yakhona ikihambe kanjani, but okubaleka kakhulu kuwona indaba yokuthi the more izoba namathuba amakhulu ukuthi mengabe ufaka imali beyibethini the higher the growth should mengabe uinvest imali yakho for umntwana wakho, but ke the lower the risk, but ke sometimes the lower the risk the higher the growth. So ilezo zinto kahle eziyihluke kuphakathi kwawo la ukuthi ke mengabe uyikhetha lo yikhethayo ngabe mhlawumbe i-risk yakhona ingakanani, but the higher the risk ke kube kuthini nawe uzobenefita kakhulu. If ke ukuthi risk yayo isuka iphansi kancane kusho ukuthi nawe uzogaina kancane. So kahle nje ilizo zinto eziye zibe umehluko kakhulukazi kuona lama savings plans for i-education yabantwana.
Sihleka mnandi no Thandazani TP Msomi right Gagasi FM uyona financial advisor and salesman.
Gagasi FM.